Welcome to the Easy channel, and let's start for today.
It's a CPAP machine. It feels like, I guess, going on tour, and I guess if you have
Adjust your speed.
Fucking hell. You good, mate?
Main reason why this accident happened was the driver who didn't respect traffic light. Adjust your speed wherever you are.
Oh shit. No, wait. Alright. I'm gonna call 911.
Look where you're going.
Like naughty books. These are erotic books. Did I make up this? Yes. Did I make this book and tagline up, or is this a real, legit erotic book? Yes. The title is "Licking Her Christmas Cookies." Mary is down on her luck and enters a baking contest, but is partnered with the wickedly handsome Matt Frost. Will their love rise like a cake, or?
Holy shit! Holy shit!
Always look in the review mirror multiple times. Adjust your speed. Pay attention to the other cars in traffic.
I'd say time feels pretty real whenever I look in the mirror. Whenever I get a new passport photo, time feels very real to me.
And look, she gets it. They
Look where you're going. Pay attention to the other cars in traffic.